Fields should follow camel case, where the first letter is lowercase, and the first letter of each subsequent word is capitalized. Private fields should be named in camel case, and it's a common convention to prefix private fields with an underscore to distinguish them from properties and methods. Protected fields are fields that are inherited by derived classes, and they typically follow the camel case convention. You may or may not use the underscore for protected fields, depending on your team's convention. While it's generally recommended to use properties, with getters and setters, for public access, if you must use public fields, follow Pascal case as you would for properties. Constants should be written in uppercase letters with words separated by underscores. Read-only fields should also follow camel case for private fields or Pascal case for public read-only properties. Avoid single-letter variables unless they are used as loop counters or very short-lived variables. Field names should be descriptive and reflect the purpose or role of the field in the class. Use singular names for fields that represent a single object and plural for collections, arrays, or lists. Avoid abbreviations unless they are well-known or standard.